Hi, I'm here with Weems Plath, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Weems Plath hand-bearing compass, item number 2005. This very compact, rugged compass uses an infinity prism, so you can hold it up to your eye like this to take a bearing. Your eye is able to focus on both the distant object and on the bearing on the compass card. If you prefer, you can also hold the compass at arm's length and read it clearly. It is highly dampened in fluid, so the readings don't bounce all over the place and stay very steady. This makes it easier to read. It has a 1-degree resolution card. You can actually take a bearing on something and get close to 1-degree accuracy. It comes with a soft floatable lanyard to wear around your neck. If the compass goes overboard, the lanyard will actually keep it afloat. The compass also fits in your fallies or pockets. It has a rubber coating, and if it bangs around a bit, it's not going to get damaged. A cool thing is this compass will actually glow in the dark. It has a photoluminescent card. To see how well it works, put the compass under some kind of light, like a flashlight for a few seconds, and it's going to glow. The compass has one extra feature that others don't have. You can look down through the magnification bubble on the top to get a quick reading of your bearing, sort of doubling as a steering compass. If you happen to be sailing in the southern hemisphere, ask about the compass version for below the equator. If you have additional questions about how to use your Weems Plath hand-bearing compass, please don't hesitate to contact us at 410-263-6700 or email us at support@weems-plath.com. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and share these amazing videos.